Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Roland electronic drum set, the Roland TD02K. Whether you're a beginner just starting your drumming journey or a returning player looking for a compact, high-quality kit, the TD02K offers an impressive blend of authentic sound, expression, and playability, all backed by decades of Roland's V-Drums innovation. From the moment you set up this kit, it's clear that every detail has been designed to offer a premium drumming experience. The TD02K comes equipped with a TD02 module featuring 16 ready-to-play kits inspired by Roland's high-end V-Drums lineup. This means you're getting sounds that are rich, dynamic, and incredibly responsive, making your practice sessions feel truly authentic. The drum pads themselves are crafted with refined rubber surfaces that give you a natural playing feel. You get a PDX8V pad for the snare, 3 PDX6A tom pads, a KD10 kick pad, and 3 CY5 cymbal pads for hi-hat, crash, and ride. This setup provides a complete range for expressive playing, yet the kit remains compact enough to fit comfortably in smaller spaces, perfect for home use or studio environments. One of the standout features is the onboard coach functions built into the TD02 module. These practice tools help guide you through exercises and skill development, ensuring steady progress whether you're self-teaching or supplementing lessons. The kit also includes a built-in metronome with dedicated controls, keeping your timing precise and helping you build strong rhythmic foundations. Another practical advantage is how the TD02K minimizes noise transfer. The kick trigger and hi-hat controller pedals are designed with noise-reducing features, allowing you to play with intensity without disturbing others around you. This makes it ideal for apartment living or late-night practice sessions. Connectivity options on the TD02 module are versatile and modern. You can connect headphones for quiet practice or use the audio input to jam along with tracks from your smartphone or music player. For those interested in music production or digital drumming, the USB audio, MIDI connectivity allows seamless integration with computers and mobile devices, making recording or creating beats easier than ever. And if you're looking to expand your setup down the line, the TD02K offers great flexibility. You can add wireless audio and MIDI streaming with the optional Boss Bluetooth Audio MIDI dual adapter or upgrade pads and accessories to suit your evolving needs. This scalability means the TD02K is not just a beginner kit but a solid foundation for growth. The build quality reflects Roland's legendary reputation. The materials used include synthetic components, nylon, aluminum, and metal, giving the kit a durable yet lightweight feel. It's sturdy enough for regular use while remaining easy to transport or reposition. Overall, the Roland TD02K stands out as an exceptional entry-level electronic drum set, combining premium sounds, responsive pads, thoughtful features for practice, and noise-conscious design. If you want a reliable, professional-grade electronic drum kit without breaking the bank, this is definitely a top contender. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Roland TD02K electronic drum set, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and insights. See you in the next video.